Hello everyone, welcome to Shikshawise. Today we'll talk about Indian Coast Guard ship Kanaklata Barua, which was commissioned recently. So friends, Kanaklata Barua is a fast petrol vessel it's an FPV, and it was named after a freedom fighter who was shot dead in Assam during the Quit India movement. So friends, Kanaklata Barua is a fast petrol vessel and it was commissioned in the Indian Coast Guard on Wednesday in Kolkata. It's named after a teenage freedom fighter who was shot dead in Assam during the Quit India movement. So friends, let's talk about this ship. It's the fifth and the last in a series of fast petrol vessels built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, that's GRSE Limited. Friends, it's an defense public sector undertaking. And the name of the other four ships of this series are ICGS Priyadarshini, ICGS Annie Besant, ICGS Kamla Devi, and ICGS Amrit Kaur. So all these FPVs of this series been named after freedom fighter women of India. So these FPVs are upgraded version of the inshore patrol vessel with a modified form of hull and can achieve a speed of 34 knots. So friends, 1 knot is equal to 1.84 km per hour. So 34 knots is roughly around 60 kilometers per hour. And it's also been delivered to Indian Navy by GRSE. These fast petrol vessels are suited for patrolling, maritime surveillance, anti-smuggling, and rescue and search operations. It can also be used for fishery protection and anti-poaching operations. Friends, these FPVs are medium, and mind you, when I say FPVs, that means fast petrol vessels. So these FPVs are medium range surface vessel, and length is around 50 meter and the width of this ship is around 7.5 meter. So friend, this was the vessel which was recently commissioned in Indian Coast Guards. Friends, let's talk about Kanaklata Barua, after whom it is named. So Kanaklata Barua was the youngest martyr of the Quit India movement. She has an iconic status in Assam and she was only 17 when she got killed during the Quit India movement. So friends, she was only 17 when she led the Mukti Bahini. It was a procession of freedom fighters to unfurl the tricolour at Gopur police station on September 20, 1942. When the police did not let them move forward, an altercation led to firing and killing Barua as she was heading the procession. Friends, she had joined the Mrityu Bahini just 2 days before the incident, and within 2 days after joining the group, she got killed. The squad used to admit members aged 18 and above, but Kanaklata was an exception. She wanted to lead the procession and after much persuasion, she was allowed to. Friends, even as Barua fell to bullets, she did not let go the flag. She did not want it to touch the ground. And another woman volunteer behind her, Mukunda Kokoti, came and held the flag, and then she too was shot. Friends, the fact that she was a young girl captured the national imagination of the time. It was also a time where you saw a lot of women coming for the fore, leading processions. Patriotic fervor was at its peak, and Kanaklata was a product of this time. Friends, today there are schools named after her. There are 2 statues. There's a ship. While we see her as an icon now, people in her village hated her then, as she was rebel who always questioned patriarchy. And friends, this ship is not the first of its kind which has been named after her. The Coast Guard had named an earlier ship after her. The previous ICGS Kanaklata Barua was commissioned in 1997 and was decommissioned in 2017. During its 20 years service, It participated in many search and rescue missions, seizure of foreign fishing vessels venturing into Indian waters, and evacuation missions. The ship was dismantled in 2018 and sold as scrap. So friend, this was the lecture about Icgs Kanaklata Barua, the ship recently commissioned in Indian Coast Guards. Thank you.